You're listening to Daventry Radio, connecting your community.
Teeth in a jar. As I get older, I seem to see my body is falling apart. After reading this, I'm sure you'll agree, it's hard to even hold in a fart. Nighttime is worse, an age-old curse, as I stare at my teeth in the jar. I can't hear you, my dear. I'm deaf in both ears, and my hearing aid can't have got far. My bones they do ache as I rattle and shake, and I lie here awake in my bed. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, I thought I'd heard once said. My hair is whiter than most, like I've just seen a ghost, so change for a blue rinse and perm. If you want to take me out, though I scream and I shout, I seem to have had a funny turn. My skin it now sags, under my eyes are bags, and my buzzy's heading south to the floor. But my body now creaks, and my bottom half leaks, so hurry up and open the lav door. Getting on now, you see, I am 93, I have wrinkles that won't iron or fray. But still young at heart, can't hold in a fart, so be careful I don't blow you away.
That was a poem from Maggie Evans's book, Unicorns and Demons, which was published last year. It is available for purchase on the Amazon bookstore.